What is minimal makeup look? To me, minimal makeup means using less product in a smarter way to have more impact. No heavy foundation or concealer here. Here I'm sharing tips for minimal face, eye and lips that will save your time but still keep you looking gorgeous. To start, apply any glow enhancing lotion or a Strobe cream after your skincare, like I'm using MAC Strobe cream. Choose the right shade according to your skin tone and apply it all over your face. MAC Strobe cream, it gives your skin a bright and healthy look. Next step is primer. For the most seamless makeup application, use a primer like Hudabeauty Water Jelly. The unique jelly formula instantly melts into skin. It gives super hydrated and dewy finish look. Primer helps the rest of your makeup go on more smoothly and wear more evenly throughout the day. After primer, use a lightweight seamless hybrid foundation. I am using Makeup Forever Ultra HD foundation. This foundation formulated with hydrating ingredients to give your complexion a glowy finish, and also it gives you second skin finish for up to 24 hours. For natural coverage, I am using Maybelline Fit Me Concealer. It's a medium coverage concealer and I am applying it only on my under eye area. For eye base, I'm using the same concealer which is Maybelline Fit Me Concealer. To add more glow on face, use a face tint or cream blush, blend it with your fingers for a natural finish. After that, use a setting powder to set your makeup in place and prevent it from creasing. Don't forget your eyebrows because it can make major difference even if it's minimal makeup look. For natural looking eyebrows, apply brow shadow. I am using brow palette from Nykaa. Create a subtle eye look with brown and neutral shadow. Blend a small amount of neutral eyeshadow into your crease. Then use a brown eyeliner to line your eyes. Draw a thin line on your upper lid. Then use the brown eyeliner in waterline. When applying mascara, keep it 1 or 2 coats so they look natural. Put on your natural looking lipstick and you are ready to go. For natural finish, apply a new shade lip liner and then apply your lipstick to the middle of the lips and blend out with your fingers for natural looking finish. Lip liner and lipstick which I am using is from Nykaa. Finish with setting spray so your look lasts all day. I hope you like this makeup look. For more videos, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Bye bye.